Why do we fail to change our life, even when we really want to? We set big goals, lose weight, wake up early, study daily, but after a few days, we quit. The problem is not you. The problem is your habits. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you one powerful lesson from Atomic Habits that can truly change your life. 1. The truth about success. Most people think success comes from big actions, but James Clear says, small habits repeated daily create big results. Imagine improving just 1% every day. At first, you won't see results, but after months, the change becomes massive. 2. The practical life lesson. Let me tell you a simple, real-life example. There are two students. One studies 5 hours in one day, then stops for a week. The other studies just 30 minutes every day. After 1 month, who will win? The second one. Why? Because consistency beats intensity. This is the biggest lesson from Atomic Habits. It's not about doing more, it's about doing it regularly. 3. How to apply this in daily life. Here's how you can use this lesson in your life. Want to read books? Start with 1 page daily. Want to exercise? Start with 5 minutes. Want to learn English? Practice 10 minutes daily. Don't wait for motivation. Make it a habit. 4. The secret trick, habit rule. Make your habit so easy that you can't say no. This is called the 2-minute rule. Instead of saying, I will study for 2 hours, say, I will study for 2 minutes. Once you start, your brain will continue automatically. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. Small actions plus daily consistency equals big success. You don't need to change your whole life today. Just change your next 10 minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which small habit are you starting from today?